Welcome back here in this new video tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to create the dependent drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Dependent drop-down list means the list in one cell will depend upon the value in the another cell. For example, here I have country name selection and city name selection. Here currently the country USA is selected. So the cities are given here which is in USA. If I select here a different country, if I take here Canada, then here I will see the cities that is in Canada only. So this is called the dependent drop down list, and here we will learn how to make this dependent drop down list in Microsoft Excel. From this first sheet we will learn creating this in the latest Excel version, that is Excel 365, and from the another sheet we will learn how to make this in the previous or older Excel versions. So here first of all let me clear this dependent drop down that is already created here. Now we start with the process of making this. First of all, you need to prepare this data by putting the country name at the top and the city's name underneath the country name. After you prepare this data, then go here in the country selection cell, then create a drop down for selecting the country. For this, go to data tab, then click on data validation here, then choose list from this drop down, and here in the source of the list click on it, then select the name of the country range this way. Now click OK. This will create the country name selection drop down from which you can select the country name. Now here in this city selection we need to create the dependent list. So here first of all we need to write some formulas here. So in this cell write the X lookup formula, press equal to, then type X lookup open bracket. In the lookup value of X lookup formula, click on the country name that is given here, then give a comma. Now here in the lookup array of the X lookup, select the country name range that you created here, then give a comma. In the return array, select the city name range like this, then close the bracket and press enter. And here you see these are the cities on the country that is selected here. If you select a different country here, then in this case you will see these zero values because the length of the city for all country is not same. Here there is no city field, that's why 0 is given here. Now here in this column use the unique function equal to, then type unique bracket open, then here in the array select this city name range given by the XLOOKUP function, then give a comma, give one more comma, and here in the exactly once double click on this true option. Now close the bracket, press enter. This will remove these zeros from here. After doing this, now go here in this city selection cell, then go to data tab, click on data validation, then here choose the list, and here in the source press equal to, then click on the first cell of the unique function, then type the hash symbol. Now click OK. After you do this, a dependent drop down list is created here. Here you see these are the cities that is in Nepal country. If you now select this to USA, you will see the list of the cities that is in USA. And this method is applicable for the latest Excel version. In case of the older Excel version, we have to follow a different method because the functions XLOOKUP and unique is not available in the older Excel versions. So let's go to another sheet here and learn creating the dependent drop down list for the older Excel version. First of all, let me clear the already created list from here. Now let's start with the process. First of all, you need to create the name for every country and city group. So select the first country and city, then press the control key in the keyboard, then hold the control key, then again select the second country and city range, select the third country and city range, again select the fourth one, select the fifth one. While selecting, we have to press and hold the control key. After selecting all these, then go to Formula tab, then click on Create from Selection option just beside the Name Manager. And here the Create Name from Selection dialog box will appear. Here the top row should be selected, then click OK. Now if you go here in the Name Manager, here you see the name is created for every single country. After doing this, now here in the country selection, create a drop down list by going to Data tab, go to Data Validation, choose List from here, and in the source select the country name range. Then click OK. This creates an independent list for the country name. Now to create a dependent drop down list here, again go to Data tab, click on Data Validation, choose List from here, and in the source we have to write this formula. Press is equal to, then type indirect formula, indirect, then open the bracket, then click on the country name cell here, close the bracket, then click on OK. Now this creates the dependent drop down list here. Here you see these are the cities that is in India. If you change another country here, USA, then you will see the cities that is in USA. These are the cities of the USA. Similarly, if you take here Canada, you will see now the cities that is in Canada. So this is the way of creating the dependent drop down list in the latest Excel version and in the older Excel version. This much for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will again meet on next video tutorial.